Okay, let's go. So today is 2020 on November 4th. Okay. So dollar index, the key resistance is here. And after this very long term consolidation, this is consolidation, okay? It may form this wedge, and I think dollar may goes down sharply, break 92, 91, okay? I don't know who wins will lead to this, but this definitely is not a very good pattern. Yeah, no bullish sign for the dollar, okay? Very good sign for the euro. Okay, euro has been supported well from 1.16 onwards. This level is very strong, okay? So my suggestion is to take a buy of euro if 1.16 supported, okay? Yeah. I think the euro may goes up to 1.19 and 1.20, okay, because this is a triangle consolidation as well. Okay, after this triangle consolidation, this is a bullish patterns, okay, and I think euro will break one. Yeah. And for sterling is still above the neckline of the previous head and shoulder, and the sterling just pull back nicely to 1.286 and forms a pin bar here. And this is a very good patterns, okay? A pin bar plus an engulfing candle. Okay, so these two combines as a very strong bullish sign. And today just have a nice pullback to 1.2930. Okay, so I want you guys to buy the sterling as well. Okay, just put your stop loss below the pin. Okay, if this place was taken, okay, we exit the long trend and we see what will happen. But if this one supported well, maybe the sterling will fly to 1.32 or 1.34. Yeah, still the same view because the target of this head and shoulder pattern is not complete. Okay, because 1-to-1 target is about this much. So let me just copy to here. Yeah, so this just tells you the sterling is likely to go to 1.3330. Yeah, so buy the sterling to aim here. It will be good. Aussie also very well. Aussie has a very strong support from 0.7 and a very good green multiple bar comes today just support. So I think all the major pairs looks like this, right? Even the gold is here. It's the same. Okay, gold has retested 618 here, a 1882, and formed a very strong rally to 1912, and now pulls back to another 618. Okay, so let's just measure. The 618 is here. You can see. Okay, 1896, and that's just a pull on this volume profile, and I will show you where is the major. Yeah, this is a major volume came from here. It's just the same zone here. If I measure from this place, yeah, you can see the most weight place is here, 1890. Okay, so today, if you want to buy the gold, focus on 1890 to 1892, this level. I think will be a very good place to catch the buy of the gold. Okay, one touch and go. Okay, so this is a very good patterns because overall you have to think this 4-hour chart. Okay, gold has break the previous downtrend line here. Okay, the recent downtrend was finished after this bullish movement from here. Okay, and it comes back to 618 and support from here 1890. Okay, so as long as the gold is above 1892, we are bullish. Okay, we are bullish when the gold is above this structure, and the gold will have a good potential to rally to 2K. I think, yeah, because this election will give a lot of uncertainty and risk events. So when the risk is on, oh sorry, when the risk is off, all the the gold will rally. The yen, okay, you can see the yen, yeah, yen appreciate against dollar. Yen just hits the 618 and have a very strong sell. Okay. Okay, for the Kiwi dollar, good to buy from 0.6618. Okay, Kiwi is okay to buy. And for the oil, okay, oil has a very strong sell in the last week after this wedge broken, retest, and falls. Okay, so this just again shows our strategy. Okay, even when one side we get wrong, but we can take on the other side. Okay, the wedge when the support was broken and the retest becomes resistance. Okay, then it's very good to sell it. Okay, but the oil right now you don't want to sell because it has touched the major support from 34.32 this level. Okay, you can use 35 as a very good support for the oil because we do see from the price section. Okay, this two pin bar here, 1 2. Okay, you can see the support, right? And this very strong pin bar here. And then look, this is a very good example of how a pin bar and reversed the trend. Okay, the pin bar retest here, and then boom, it just flies. Okay, flies to 37 and makes an engulfing candle here. Okay, so with this engulfing candle, I believe the oil has turned to the bullish side, and what we can do is to buy the pullback and go for the rally. Okay, buy the pullback, go for the rally, and this time we can aim for like 40 onwards. This is something related to the oil. Okay, so can you understand of this? Yeah, are you still with me? Oh, I have just put I tried to make my webinar as simple as possible, right? So there's a yellow structure represents the support, and the two pin bars plus this engulfing candle represents the price actions. And my strategy is to buy the low, okay? Buy the low when the price approaching this support, and we try to focus to buy the next wave until 39 to 40. Okay, are we good? Yeah. Cool. Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, that's fantastic. Thank you, Silver. Why only Silver replies to me? How about the others? We have 44 people here in the room. Okay, are you still with me? Okay, oil, I want to buy because in weekly chart, the oil still have potential to rally to like 50. Yeah, 50. Wow, gold, nice rally. Come on, guys. Right after we said, let's see this. I said the 618. Did you do this? Did you buy from 196? Instantly we have $6 move. Wow. Oh yeah, sure, Rafael. Safe driving. Don't reply me here. You see how very strong support from 618 comes, right? One touch it goes. Strong rally. So gold, I think will break 1916 and it goes to new high. Yeah, most likely. Most likely. This very long term bullish trend just shows all the previous downtrend was finished. Yeah, especially when this place was taken. Yeah, when this place was taken out, it just shows nobody can stop the gold. Pound moving also slowly. Yeah, pound go. Perfect touch. Another head and shoulder pattern. See, 30 minutes. Yeah, I think I will just was still here. Yeah. Okay, so the pound will rally from 1.2953 and all the way goes up to 1.31. Yeah, so it's very good to buy the pound from here. Yeah, I agree with you. Look at S&P. S&P also rallied. So the S&P, since it forms our new bad pattern here, and we don't want to sell it anymore. Okay, it has reversed from 3250, and I think our short target has been almost hit the target one. And now since the price is moving up, so we can protect our previous short in last week. Okay, we can just leave the trade. And in daily chart, I think S&P could have another try to 3,558. Yeah, the S&P may try to go to this place again. Okay? Overall, it has this is still a wedge or triangle, but we don't know where it can go. So maybe 3,520 or 3,550. But if it breaks up, okay, try to be careful of here because this is could be a fake breakout due to the election. Okay, maybe there will be a reversal. Like it breaks up, break new high, and then reverse. Okay, so try to be careful of this. Try not to buy the high. Okay, trying to buy the low and sell the high. But when you sell the high, don't short against the trend. Okay, so make sure you have you can see this double top and pull back and go. All right. So that's very important. Okay, so S&P now this is not a good time to buy or sell because in the middle, right? S&P in the middle place. We don't want to buy or sell either, and we want to watch for the price to go. Try to try to take this level and see whether there could be a 2618 trade. Yeah. And for the Bitcoin, since last week we have a very strong rally. Okay, and you remember I said we can buy the Bitcoin from 13200. I think this level. Yeah, this is where I mark our next entry of the Bitcoin. Yeah, if you remember. Yeah, 13400 to 13200. Okay, so this is perfect trade. We don't buy from here, but we buy the pullback, and now it's 13859. Okay, so very good trade of Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin may go beyond 14K and goes to 16K onwards. Strong trend. Okay, strong trend. So just trying to buy the low, and or you're using the inside bar for you guys to catch. Okay, for example here, guys, this is a typical example of inside bar, right? Mother bar, inside bar, up. You took the trade, boom, it hits. Okay, and if the inside bar act as a previous structure, then it actually gives multipliers. Okay, it actually shows double confidence of this trade. Okay. Any questions? Okay. Oh, maybe I will cover sterling yen as well. Oh, guys, please, sterling yen from the chart. I think 135.40 will be a good place to buy. Okay, but just remember the yen is actually appreciating. The yen may goes down, right? So this will actually drag the sterling's performance. So maybe we don't want to trade sterling yen at this time. We want to trade it separately. We want to trade either you buy the sterling or you short the dollar yen, but don't trade sterling yen. Okay, remember when dollar index is in one-way market, yeah, it's not good to really to trade the cross pairs. Yeah, that's my suggestion. Okay, are we cool? Okay, that's good. For the dollar Canadian, some people said dollar Canadian he want to buy, but I don't really support for this buy from this 1.31 level. I do agree that the dollar Canadian have some support from this level, and it shows one time, shows another time. But look at the pin here, and look at this pivot from here. It just shows the great resistance coming from 1.33 level, and it cannot pass this zone, right? So just be careful because weekly chart, I told you guys that the dollar Canadian may break 1.3080 and it may just goes all the way down to 1.22. This could happen because last time it happened once again like this. Okay, after these breaks, the major support is just all the way goes down to like 1.2080, and I think the overall the over bullish trend has been finished. The trend line was broken. Yeah, it's definitely broken, and after some consolidation, if the oil goes up, I think Canadian dollar will appreciate against dollar. Can you cover Nasdaq? Sure. Okay, for Nasdaq, it's still strong. Okay, yeah, it's still strong for the Nasdaq. So on the Nasdaq, you can consider to buy from $11,400 from here. What I feel is no matter which one wins the president, he will secure the U.S. market, the U.S. stocks market. That's what I feel. Yeah, trust me, because the president has to do something to maintain the economy or maintain the financial markets, right? You don't want to see a disaster comes in the stocks market because that is not in the favor of those rich people and rich family, rich parties, right? And he needs money. Yeah. So no matter which one goes to the president, I think the U.S. stocks market still be quite strong. Yeah, because you check those companies like Apple. Okay, Apple remains this is a gap up, right? So this just tells you the institutional players are still buying Apple from 104. Look at the Baba has a very bad news yet last night because the Alipay the Ants group postponed for the IPO, and that's a very bad news. But look at the new, as I said, the China's new energy car company will goes up, right? New is very strong, still want to hold the line, and for the XPEV, very good, very well. Remember, guys, I told you guys to buy at 19. Did you bought this? Did you buy this? Did you buy this? Come on. This is your world. This is your money, right? Try not to waste my mind. I told you guys the XPEV, the Xiaopeng, is a very good company. Okay, and their cars are beautiful. Their cars are very high quality made, and their sales figure is fantastic. You know, yeah. So try not to waste my views on here. Yeah, it's very nice to buy long the Xiaopeng from 19.40, and now you earn $5. And this time it's going to break new high. And once it breaks new high, it will just perform like new. It just becomes a one-way market, just like Tesla. Okay. So how many of you guys bought Xiaopeng? How many? Give me your hand. Yeah. I post this in TradingView, right? Wow. Is my computer disconnected with you guys? I cannot see your messages. Yeah, it's strange. Okay, see what has Ethereum goes. Okay, Ethereum has some support from 350 from this neckline here. So it puts a double bottoms here. Okay, this is double bottom neckline break and retest. So you can consider to buy the Ethereum around 368. Okay, this level could be a good place to buy the Ethereum. Okay, and it may just have another rally for the crypto markets, right? Okay. What else? Which market you want me to cover? How about Xiaomi? Yeah, my favorite company as well. Wow, Xiaomi, it just shoots another new high. Okay, back to 30. 23.95. Oh, I think I asked you guys to buy from here from 20, right? Now it's 23.95. It's really cool. All right. So, oh, another thing, we have to check the wicks. Okay. VIX has been forward very fast today, so this implies the stocks market is goes back to normal. So I think Nasdaq, S&P may still go rally. Okay, so focus to buy. AARK, sure. AARK. What is this company? AARK. I cannot find it. Raphael, are you sure this is a correct ticket size? The ticket name? ARKK, sure. ARK ETF, innovation ETF. Wow, innovation. What kind of innovation is here? This looks nice. Really looks nice. Yeah, I think the support is here, 89. Okay, so if you believe this is a very good support, okay, you can just buy here and a stop loss below 88 and all the way go. Okay. Tesla. Oh, Tesla. Okay, sure. Yeah, it's same to my concept, right? The new energy car concept. Uh, the same one goes in Chinese. This one, the 51503. China Asset Management Co. The CSI New Energy Automation ETF. Very good to buy and very good to hold in long term. I think for decades. Yeah, bullish decades. It's so cool to. Okay, look at gold, guys. We have new entries here. 618. Okay, hammer. Go for it. Okay, you can buy the gold right now. Stop loss below the pain. Okay, buy the gold right now. Stop below the pain and go for the next rally. Jack, do you still look at the bonds? I don't really look at the bonds at this time, but the bonds normally I would check the ZB. Yeah, I'll check the ZB. It's going higher. It just shows the yield is coming down. Yeah, the yield is coming down, and that's why the gold rally and the yen rally. Yeah, because the ZB actually have the same same correlation with yen with those safe havens. Okay, and you can check the dollar Swiss. It's confirmed a sell. Okay, the Swiss has been rallied since last night. Any other? Another company, PDD. I love PDD. Yeah, because PDD will become like another player in the domestic electronic markets. Sorry, the e-commerce family. Yeah, because Alibaba has some problem because Jack Ma has been asked to have some tea with the China Securities Authority, and that's why the Baba dropped a lot. But the PDD rallied, right? So you may consider to buy some PDD, and this is a very very big day in China, which is a double 11. Okay, so on November 11th, okay, all those China's websites, those like Taobao or Alibaba, like JD, okay, you can see this is a lot of sales will be coming here. People will just spending money like crazy. Okay, you have no idea how strong the e-commerce in China right now because we have all those kind of what we call 主播. What is the 主播? Yeah, because people will talk to you, will show on your screen. They will sell the things in front of you. Yeah. Okay, let me just show you. Yeah, this is how this look like, and just like I think there is something similar to the Singapore Great Sale. Okay, yeah, something similar to the Great Sale. People will just go crazy because everything get discounted, and yeah, a lot of things you can buy very cheap at a very good price. Okay, like you can see here, this ad shows me the feather. Sorry, the jackets in the real per 90% discount. It's crazy. Okay, let me show you the real time casting for the sales. Okay, okay here, and you can't believe, wow, this auntie, she's so fat, right? I think she's selling some, big size clothes. Oh my god! And there are a lot of people will just buy her stuff. Yeah. So on 11/11s, a lot of sales will occur on that day, and PTD may have another rally. Yeah, that's my opinion. Okay. Yeah, but the bonds and S&P/X may not have a so negative correlation right now. Okay, let me just show you. Normally, the bond and the S&P will be negative correlated, right? But this time, okay, something is different. Okay, you can compare. You can see this correlation went very weak. Okay, you can see this part is correct. Okay, bonds rally, stocks fall. Okay, but this is not very correlated. Can you see that, Rafael? Okay, S&P goes new high, bond rally to almost previous high, and then the bond comes down. Okay, S&P sideways, S&P still goes up, but today they are just positively correlated. Okay, so do not use correlation to play in this election day. Okay, it's not so much no longer that much correlated. Yeah, you don't need to be confused. Okay, let me just give you the explanation. Okay, the only explanation is the money. Okay, the money. Okay, normally if this is an internal market. Okay, for example, the money in the USA. Okay, they will internally transfer within different assets. Do you agree? Okay, so that's why when stocks goes up, okay, basically means those money in the fixed income will shift to the stocks market. Okay, bonds down. But what if there are some new money goes to the USA, like the money from Europe, like the money from Japan, like the money from China? Okay, if there's new money goes into, and the money will just flushed into all assets, right? And we are in this situation that the dollar is weakened, and we are having more dollar in the in the supply, and that's why when the new dollar are printed and the money flows from the Japan, from the euro, from the all emerging markets, remember, okay, and the new money just goes into the market, and it just all assets, all the products will go up. Yeah, that's the explanation. Okay, S&P very strong today. Maybe people will celebrate the election. I don't know. Maybe Trump will win. Personally, I feel Trump will might, may win, just like last time. The Trump will just flip, you know, give you this kind of a joke. Yeah, I win. I'm winning. All right. Okay, so yeah, it's very glad to see you guys here, and we are here uh, to see this history comes. All right. Yeah. who will be the next USA president. Okay, but I just want to remind you guys. Okay, try not to risk all your money into one trade. Split your money into different trades, like 2% per trade or 4% per trade. That would be very, very smart. Okay, basically, just remember what I said. Dollar is weak. Okay, unless the dollar break 95, I will change my view. But beyond, on the other side, I will have no other decision to short dollar. Okay, I will just short dollar for for sure. Okay, this is a strong pin bar. I will sell the dollar. Okay, if you check the CNY, okay, renminbi just renminbi also goes, and dollar Sing dollar, Singapore dollar also goes strong. Okay, so dollar is getting weak. Maybe a very bearish market for the next few years. Wow, gold, nice rally, guys. Woohoo. Okay, buy the gold. Remember, buy the gold. Aim 2020. My ultimate target 2020. Okay, I have posted this in trading view, so do not waste my effort. Okay. So go for the market, go for the lower time frame to find your trade, set your stop loss, calculation your position, and try to have a strong rally to earn your money. Okay. All right, that's very good. Yeah. So I will upload the webinar to my YouTube, and I wish you guys to review it for more times. Okay. And if you want to learn from me, okay, you want to join my students class, okay, you can go to harmonicasia.com to sign for my course. My course are still the same price as last time did. Okay, I will teach all my skills to you, and I will teach how to predetermine the entry, the stop, the TP, and I will teach you how to draw the chart, how to find those good quality entry zones, okay, and how to treat the market professionally and independently. All right. Okay, that's all for today. No, I'm not killing the markets, Rafael. My uh my goal, okay, my goal is not to beat the market or kill the market, okay, is to make friends with the market. Okay, it is something related to the Chinese Tao. Okay, because in Chinese Tao, we have these kind of words. The how to write is this word, okay? 和光同尘, okay? 和光同尘 means we can be different, we can have different opinions, but we can live peacefully, we can live nicely in the world, okay? The market is the same. The market can go up and goes down. The market can hit my stop loss or hit my target, right? It doesn't matter, okay? I can very, very comfortably to walk along with the market whenever the market goes up or it goes down. Okay, if it hit my stop loss, I will not be sad. If the market gives me some profit, I will appreciate that. Okay, I will not feel I'm God or I'm killing the market. I just want to be the friends with the market, right? So that my trading strategy will work, so that I can use my strategy to help more people, and especially for you guys. Okay, so I want you guys to have the same kind of a mindset with me. Okay, you don't need to be the number one or top 10% in the world. Okay, you can just be semi-professional or professional to just remember, do not make those stupid mistakes like you want to overtrade, you want to gambling, you want to remove all your stop loss, you want to just spend all your money into one trade. Okay, do not make those stupid mistakes. Okay, remember what I teach you guys. Okay, use the structure, use the Fibonacci, use the harmonic patterns. Okay, use RSI, use whatever I teach to you. Okay, just to find more and more high quality trades, and that will actually gives you peace and fortune. All right, how long did it take you? Maybe 5 years, 5 years. Yeah, I start to realize that I cannot beat the market after all. Yeah, after 3 to 5 years, when I try to I learned so many things, right? I learned the fundamental analysis in the bank. I learned technical analysis from USA, like how many patterns, like supply and demand, right? And in the beginning, I try to beat the market whenever I can, but I found that's not correct. I don't need to beat the market. I just need to beat the friends. Yeah, and that will actually last very long. Your trading experience will grow, and your trading habit will be formed. Your correct mindset will be very, very mature. Okay, and you know clearly what you want and what you need. Okay, you don't do stupid things to kill your account, and that's the most important thing. I know that. Yeah, I'm very glad that you said you are um, hardest things to conquer is not to overtrade due to greed, right? Okay, so let me just show you how what I did. Okay, I will set my I will just set my daily target. Okay, for example, like $400. Okay, or I lose $200 per day, and that is all I need. I don't want to win more than 400. No, because I know if I win more than 400, I will be super happy. I will be, over estimate myself. Okay, yeah, I want to earn more. I can win 800. I want 600, 10K, 9K, whatever. Okay, and then you will be lost your control. You will forget what is your initial target. You just need to be, earning like $500 or $600 every day, and when the rainy day comes you lose like 200 to 300, and that's enough. That's good enough for you to cover your family. Am I right to say that, Rafael? Okay, remember, the trading is forever going. The market is forever going. You cannot earn every single cent from the market, right? So you have to be um yeah, you have to remind yourself every time, from time to time, that I don't want to earn so much money from the market. I just want to earn enough money. Yeah, enough money to cover my expense, enough money to realize my financial dreams, and I want to retrieve, realize this my financial dreams by every day's high quality trade. What about find a few good entries in one day? Okay, if you find few good entries in one day, you can still separate. Okay, for example, I may have at most 3 trades per day, and most likely I won't lose all of them. I may win one or two and lose another one, so that I can separate my risk. Yeah, you may also combine the 3 trades into one. Like, for example, my daily loss is $200. I will spend $60. I will put a $60 risk for euro, another $60 for the gold, and the last $60 for the sterling, maybe. Yeah, but if I'm super confident in one trade, I will just go for one in 200. Yeah, I guess 2.5 is not that long. Still have some time to go to master all that. Yeah, so just to remember what I said, what I say. Okay, be the friends, make friends with the market, and make friends with yourself, because a lot of time you are putting too much pressure on yourself, which is something not very good, because you can just earn 400 and just go to have a very nice sleep, but uh, but you cannot make friends with yourself, and you are forcing yourself to trade more, to win more. Okay, and your inner sense is actually rejecting of this kind of a demand, right? And that's why you will be feel upset, or you feel, you know frustrated. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's all for today. Thanks for coming, and see you next week. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day. You're welcome. And Rafa, I said, after the disease, after the coronavirus, I think I may go visit USA, and I want to, yeah, sit with you. Shall we have a dinner together? Yeah, I like to make friends. Sure. Okay. Bye bye.